Welcome to your chemistry lab. Now I am back. You like to my video, you like to my voice, and you like to my tips. Please subscribe me, like me and comment me. I will be answer your comment. Please like me, subscribe me. Now today I will discuss the answer of DTP001 and with answer key with solution. Now let's start now. First question. This answer is D. Addition of Br2 to trans-butene gives meso-2,3-dibromo-butane. So, bromination of meso-2,3-dibromo-butane will be trans, but trans-butene here. And next question 2. This is answer B. Here Br2 on hydrolysis gives OH, and 2 OH have in one carbon, and this compound is less stable. Here water molecule is released, it form aldehyde, and this is an oxidation. Aldehyde and CH3 group gives dioic acid, and nitration gives. This is the answer. Question 3rd. Answer is C. It does not require to explanation. Question 4. Answer is C. Reactivity decrease as of NO2 group at ortho and para position with respect to Br decreases. Meta-nitrobenzene is however less reactive than para-nitrobenzene since NO2 group at meta position cannot stabilize intermediate carbanion by resonance. So this is the answer. Question 5. Answer is B. Here lithium and Br it form salt, and D2O react it form D, and this is the answer is. Next question 6. Answer is C. It is 1R3S6. Here KOH react on product is trans, and here only first carbon will be inverted. This is the answer. It is clear now. And next question 8. And answer is A. Here HCl react and to form 2-degree carbocation, and it want to hydride shift, it form 3-degree carbocation. It is more stable than nucleophilic attack and gives the product. Here 6 alpha hydrogen present, so 3-degree carbocation is more stable. This is the answer now. And next question 9. Answer is A. It is clear, it is common question. This is the last question. Answer is C. Vinyl chloride does not undergo dehydrochlorination on boiling with water to produce acetylene. So this statement is incorrect while the rest are correct. So it is clear now. Now it is clear now. Next day I come back with solution of DTP2. Today you will now start DTP6.